think this object, 2017 U1, is very long. Perhaps 400 meters or so long and very narrow.
Be brave.
The last over three.
So it's very puzzling how it could have obtained this shape.
If aliens ever did invade, it could be an opportunity, a chance for countries, for nations to get together.
An alien fleet is approaching the Earth.
So tonight, when you look at the night sky, realize that somebody could be looking back at you.
Go face to face.
For the most part, I think they're going to be friendly. But if they are hostile, it would be like Bambi meeting Godzilla if we ever had to fight them.
Why? Why do you say that?
Well, realize that if they're that advanced, they can reach the Earth from a distance far.
The only weapon on the orbit is an intelligent, remote-controlled robot from the Cold War period. Only one person will be able to control DH-125 in the final battle for humanity.
I'll put up a fight. I'll put up a fight. I'll put up a fight.
We want you to become the Drone Hunter.
My name is Hunter. Drone Hunter.